Today we're going to talk about solving inequalities. Let's review first what an inequality is. An inequality states that two values are not equal. So A does not equal B, and this is the is not equal to symbol. So first let's figure out what an inequality is. An inequality says that two values are not equal. We also have inequalities that use special symbols to show in what way things are not equal. And the symbols you use to show which way two things are not equal is the less than sign. So A, this is read A is less than B. And the greater than symbol. A is greater than B. And a good way to remember greater than is the bigger side faces the bigger number. You can also have less than or equal to symbol or greater than and equal to symbol. Now that you know what an inequality is, we're going to talk about how to solve inequalities. And you solve inequalities the same way that you solve equations. So you're going to be solving for the variable here is x. You want to ask yourself, what can x be to make this true? So the difference between an inequality and an equation is that with an equation you have one answer, one value that the variable can be to make it true. For an inequality, you're going to have a solution set, and that is all the possible numbers that x can be to make this inequality true. So to solve this, x plus 3 is less than 16. We want to undo this whatever is being done to x. So here, 3 is being added to x. To undo addition, we subtract 3 from both sides. That cancels out on this side, and we have 13 on this side. So our answer is x is less than 13. So the solution set is x is less than 13. X can be any number as long as it is less than 13. If it's less than 13, it will make this inequality true. And here's another example. X over 8 is greater than 5. So we want to solve for x and see what are the possible solutions or values that x can be. So since we want to undo division here, we will multiply both sides by 8. These 8's cancel out, and we're left with x is greater than 40. So x can be any number greater than 40, and it will make this inequality true. And a final example, negative 7y is greater than or equal to negative 35. So again, we want to get the variable alone. What is being done to y is being multiplied by negative 7. So we undo multiplication by dividing both sides by negative 7. And we're left with y is greater than or equal to 5. So the solution set is y can be any number greater than or equal to 5. And now here are 3 problems to try on your own. Be sure to show all of your work